First of all, I'd like to say it was my pleasure to meet with the administrative judge of the Juvenile Division of the 15th Circuit, Dr. Judge Kroll, and she is back in that seat. We had Judge Marks, but now she's back in the seat. And she asked me to make sure I connected with the superintendent, the deputy, and others here, because she is really ready to go to get us back to where we were. She was looking at the historical perspective regarding the implementation of staff and services, both in delinquency cases as well as dependency cases, those children that are under DCF. And she is ready for us to review the justice partnership components and how we build upon what already exists, because we had been at the state level with our program based on the kinds of things we were doing here in Palm Beach County. So it's especially important to strengthen our court education liaison program. Dr. Best, you're actually working with Judge Kroll on this, and as well as the chief academic officer. You're working already to kind of get some things done. So we need to have a workshop to go over it again, because it's kind of been dormant for a year. And now that she's back in place, she has requested that we have a workshop.
All right. Does the board concur that they'd like to have a workshop on that issue? Dr. Robinson?
So is that a request for a board workshop or one of the school justice partnership meetings together, or
No,
both?
the board workshop, and both, absolutely both. She definitely wants to do the partnerships too. She wants to do all of that, but she needs to come back now and talk to us to let us know exactly how she feels about where it's going, plus to get input from us as to where we think we're going, because we've kind of been dormant for a year.
Is everybody okay with that? Mr. Superintendent, would you try and get that scheduled for us?
Yes, Ms. Andrews already brought me that information. We've already started the process.
Okay, if there's nothing else, we'll adjourn the workshops and go on to the special meeting. Do we have a motion? Motion by Mr. Shaw, second by Dr. Andrews. Dr. Robinson. All in favor, all opposed, motion carries 7-0. Mr. Superintendent,